Krishna on food. What a Kachori factory can teach us about conscious living. Hari Om. Today I want to take you inside a Kachori factory in Jamnagar. Machines hum, ingredients roast, workers mix, shape and prepare food with incredible precision and care. At first glance, it looked like a simple food production video. But when you observe with a Vedantic eye, you will see the timeless teachings of Bhagavan Krishna from Bhagavad Gita become alive right in front of you. Let's dive deep. First, cleanliness and care. The heart of Sattvic food. Gita 17.8. Krishna says Sattvic food increases life, purity, strength, health, and happiness. In the video, you see workers wearing gloves, masks, hairnets, machines kept clean, ingredients handled consciously. This is exactly what Krishna calls Sattvic preparation. Food made with purity, order, and mindfulness. It's not just what you eat that matters, it's how it's prepared and with what intention. When food is prepared with care, it nourishes more than body, it nourishes the mind. Second, balance ingredients, avoiding Rajasic excess, Gita 17.9. Krishna warns about the Rajasic food. Too spicy, too sour, too salty, too stimulating, it leads to pain, sorrow, and disease. In the Kachori-making process, the mixture is handling with precision, the right amount of pulse flour, the right spices, the right roasting time. This balance transforms food from mind agitating to mind supporting. Real health isn't in extreme taste, it is in moderation. No staleness, protection from Tamasic food, Gita 17.10. Krishna is very clear. Stale, decomposed, leftover, impure food is Tamasic. Look at the factory, fresh batches, fresh ingredients, no old stock mixed into new ones. This ensures the kachori is not just tasty, it is energetically clean. Avoiding tamasic food is avoiding tamasic mind, a mind that becomes dull, lazy, and confused. Fourth, food is yajna, cooking for society. Krishna says those who eat after offering food as yajna are free from all impurities. The beautiful part, this Jamnagar factory is preparing food for society. Hundreds, maybe thousands will enjoy this food made not just for self but for others. This itself becomes a yajna, an offering to society. When you cook or work for the welfare of others, your action becomes sacred. Fifth, the deeper message, you are the factory. The Kachori factory reminds us a profound truth. You are also a factory of thoughts. Just as the workers select clean ingredients, fresh materials, balanced spices, you must select clean thoughts, fresh intentions, balanced emotions. Your mind is being cooked every moment by what you consume, food, media, company, emotions. If your inputs are sattvic, your life becomes sattvic. The kachori making process teaches us one thing. Purity outside creates purity inside, and purity inside creates purity everywhere. This is Krishna's message. Yo vai bhuma tat sukham. Only the expansive, conscious, pure life brings true joy. If you want to bring Krishna's wisdom into your daily living, your food, your thoughts, your habits, join me for a free one-to-one clarity call. Book here. The link is in description. Let's build a life of purity, strength, and spiritual wealth together. Hari Om.